Did you know that the red panda, native to Asian forests, boasts russet fur, a bushy tail, and masked face? Preferring a solitary, nocturnal lifestyle, they're skilled tree climbers and forage primarily at night. Their diet includes bamboo, fruits, berries, and occasional insects. Despite the name, they're not closely related to giant pandas. Threatened by habitat loss and poaching, conservation efforts aim to safeguard their habitats and ensure the survival of these adorable and unique creatures.